Hey smoothie lovers! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have 5 delicious and nutritious smoothie recipes that will not only satisfy your taste buds but also provide a healthy boost of nutrients. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast option or a refreshing snack, these recipes have got you covered. So, let's jump right in and start blending. 1. Tropical Paradise Smoothie. If you're craving a taste of the tropics, this smoothie is perfect for you. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of pineapple chunks, 1 ripe banana, 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1/2 cup of orange juice, a handful of spinach leaves, optional, ice cubes, optional. 2. Berry Blast Smoothie. This next recipe is bursting with antioxidant-rich berries. Let's gather the ingredients. 1 cup of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of almond milk, or any other plant-based milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, optional, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup, optional, ice cubes, optional. 3. Green Goddess Smoothie. If you're looking to sneak in some greens, this smoothie is packed with nutritious ingredients. Let's see what we need. 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of almond milk, or any other plant-based milk, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, or any nut butter, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup, optional, ice cubes, optional. 4. Protein Power Smoothie. This smoothie is perfect for those looking to fuel their bodies with protein. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients. 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of frozen berries, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, or any other yogurt, 1 scoop of protein powder, vanilla or chocolate, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, or any nut butter, 1 cup of almond milk, or any other plant-based milk, ice cubes, optional. 5. Creamy Oatmeal Smoothie. Our final recipe combines the goodness of oats with creamy flavors. Let's get started. Ingredients. 1/2 cup of cooked oatmeal, 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, or any nut butter, 1 cup of almond milk, or any other plant-based milk, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Thank you for watching.